Right, today we're going back into the store cupboard. We're going to make another canned food recipe and we're going back to our favourite, spam. Wonderful, delicious, meaty spam. And I'm going to make for you this wonderful, gorgeous, delicious spam hash, which you can have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, 3 o'clock in the morning. It's entirely up to you. But guys, I am flipping sweating already. I'm filming this at like 10:30 in the morning and it's already like 22 degrees. Flipping had enough of it because the stupid sun's come out and doing its stupid sun thing.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
A great big fat fiery ball sack in the sky. Or was that Donald Trump? A nice easy cheap meal this. I mean, obviously like spam's going to be your biggest cost because it's not cheap anymore, is it? Let's face it. But a tin like that will go a long way. Unless you're a greedy fat pig like me and will hunker over a can and eat it like a feral ape. But before we crack on, do the usual, like, share, subscribe, really do appreciate it. And get these recipes out to your friends and family and the people in need. Because it's cheap, easy, accessible recipes like this that people are really calling out for right now. So get it shared. So yeah, let's crack on, let's go and make it. Spam hash. So a quick little rundown of the ingredients, which will be listed below in the video description, and it will pop up on the screen now as well so you can note it down. So obviously got a spam, got some pre-cooked new potatoes there. I'm not going to use all of those, but the bag was quite small, so I thought, sod it, I'll just cook them all up. Bit of sweet corn, I'm going to use one of these red onions, and I've got a red pepper, or a bell pepper as you Americans call it. And for seasonings, I've got some chili flakes, I'm going to have some paprika, and a bit of dried garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you want, but I can't be arsed. And you can go all out for this. You can switch it up as much as you like. Some sage would be great in there. You could have some cayenne pepper, because the beauty of this dish is it's really interchangeable. You can mix it up, do what you like. But there is a bit of prep to do, so we need to clear this all out of the way. And the first thing you're going to want to do is prep your spam. Thankfully, this has like a little ring pull on it, so we're not going to have to faff about with those stupid keys. So I'm going to pull off the lid and I'm going to wrestle with it for about 5 hours to get it out of the tin. And then I'm just going to chop it into nice, decent sized cubes. I'll take my red pepper that I've already cleaned. I'll remove that center core and then I'll dice that up into, well, little bits really, about the same sort of size as the spam. Next, the red onion. I'll take one of these out. They're sort of medium-sized ones, I suppose. And then I'll peel that and then just dice that into chunks as well. I want them fairly sizable because I want a bit of crunch to this. The spuds, I'll just take out what I'm going to use. I'll roughly chop these into chunks. Some of them I'll cut in half because they're small, some of them into threes. You get the idea. The sweet corn, well, there's no real prep to do with this. You just got to open the top, drain off the water, it's ready to go. And once you've done all the prep, we can make this sucker. So I've got a nice deep-sided pan here. Get it onto a nice high heat. And as the pan is heating up, go in with your cubed spam. You don't need any oil, okay, because there's plenty of fat in that spam already. And saute the spam off for a minute or two, just to get those edges nice and crisp, because that's just going to boost the meaty flavours and give us texture as well. Once you've got that bit of colour on there, I'm going to get this back out of the pan and into this bowl. There we go, back onto the heat again, whack some oil in, and then straight in with your spuds. And just like the spam, we want to get some crispiness on them as well. Have an escapee. And this won't take long, I'd say another couple of minutes or so. Get those spuds nice and golden brown. Are you supervising, bud? What are you muck on your face? What have you been doing? Huh? Give you a bit of a clean up in a minute. Sorry for disturbing you when you were asleep. You've got muck in your eye, ain't you? So once you've got some nice colour on those spuds, I'm going to turn the heat down to a sort of medium and go straight in with our onions and peppers, or pepper. This is one of those really fuss-free dishes, this. There's nothing to it. And again, saute off the onions and pepper, just so they start to go soft. But again, we want to retain some texture, so you don't want to cook them to buggery. And once the onions and peppers have softened slightly, we'll go back in with the spam. I have eaten quite a bit of this already. Okay, so when you make it, there'll be a lot more. I just couldn't help myself, I just started munching on it. Naughty Adam. I'm also going to add some sweet corn. Measurements wise, go with your heart. Whatever you feel like. Now we can add some seasonings. First I'll hit it with some black pepper. Plenty of that in. Little touch of salt. Go easy on the salt because obviously spam has got plenty of salt in it. Bit of garlic. I'd say about a teaspoon of garlic granules. If you want more, add more. It's up to you. Some paprika. Smoked or unsmoked, it doesn't really matter really. About 2 teaspoons there, a bit more. And just because I want a little bit of kick, pinch of chilli flakes. and I'll just stir that gently, just for another couple of minutes, just so everything heats through, and you're pretty much there. Your hash is done. And this is a meal in itself. Serve it up into a nice deep bowl, but what I like to do is just to top it with a gorgeous runny fried egg. And there's a really simple little hash. Bloody egg snot, didn't cook it properly. Yeah, can't stand egg snot. But that's the problem you get when filming sometimes, you lose concentration a bit. But I tell you what, it's too flipping hot to be eating this. But hopefully by the time this video goes out, it's cooled down a bit. It's about 28 degrees it's going to be today. But there we go, look. Spam hash. Oh, I'm sorry, Mugs. I'll go down the shop and I'll get you a can of tuna. How about that? You shouldn't really have spam. It's too salty for you. His eyes are like flipping saucers. You can smell it. So there we have it. Really simple little recipe. Spam hash. But let me know down in the comments if you've got any other spam recipes you want me to try. In the last spam video I did, which was the spam fried rice, some of you left some really good suggestions in the comments, so do some more. But I'm going to shoot off now, finish the rest of this. If you enjoyed the video, stick a like on it, share it to your friends and family, and crucially the people in need. Relatively cheap. I know spam's like, it's not super cheap anymore, but still, it'll go a long way. And I'll see your beautiful faces next time. Bye!